Hello students, welcome back NCERT online class. Student, today we are going to discuss about a new worksheet from How Creatures Move. This is very important worksheet. So let's start. At first, see here, question number A, tick the correct answer. You can see here is more question and every question have three options. You need to correct on A, B or C. So first question, the lion walks on padded dash. So what is the correct answer? We know that the lion walks on padded paws. So we need to take the number A, paws, P-A-W-S. So we need to make the tick here. Okay, then the squirrel from limb to limb. Here is a dash, the squirrel dash from limb to limb. What you need to write? Jumps, leaps or crawls. We know that from the poem the squirrel leaps from limb to limb. So we need to tick number B, leaps. The squirrel leaps from limb to limb. Okay. Then number 3, the flies can dash straight of all. We know that flies can crawl. Flies can crawl. Flies cannot walk, cannot slide. It is crawl straight up all. So you need to take number C. The flies can crawl straight of all. Okay. Next question. The monkey dash by his tail. Monkey drives, swings or crawls. You know that the monkey swings by his tail. Okay. So you need to take number B. The monkey swings by his tail. Okay. Next question. The worm dash all around. We know that the worm wiggles, crawls or dives. You know that worm wiggles all around. And every answer we can find out from our poem. So the worm number A, wiggles all around is correct answer. Okay, next question. Next number B, fill in the blanks with the suitable letter. Student, here is some questions 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. You have some fill in the blanks. You need to correct or tick or circle the correct letter that is missing here. That first is squirrel, S-Q-U-I dash then R-E-L. We know that the squirrel spelling is S-Q-U-I double R-E-L. So we need to tick R. We can write here also, but there is little space, that's why we can tick here. Okay. Next, straight, S-T-R-A dash G-H-T. We know that the spelling is S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T. So you need to tick number A option I. Okay. Next question, L dash A P. This is a spelling of leap. So what is the spelling of leap? L E A P. So you need to take here E. Okay. Next question number 9, A R O U dash D. We know that this is around. A R O U N D. So you need to take here number B option N. Okay. Then question number 10, S dash R E A D. What is this? It is spread. It is spread. So S P R E A D, spread. So number C is correct answer. Next, 11, according to the poem. According to the poem means you need to find out the correct answer from the poem. the boys and girls can. We know that boys and girls dance, run, dive. No, it is wrong, because man's according to the poem cannot dive. Wiggles, walk, dance. No. So correct answer is number C. Run, dance and walk. So you need to tick here number C. Run, dance and walk. Okay. Next question. Which of these wiggles? Which worm or fish or ant wiggles here according to the poem? So we know that worm wiggles properly according to the poem. Next question. Which of these has padded paws? According to the poem, lion have padded paws. So this is correct answer. Okay. Now let's see next question. Question number C here. Fill in the blanks with suitable word. But here we also take the correct answer in proper space. Question number 14. I write dash than her. You can write very easily. This is very good question for your second periodic test. I write better than her. Here is not best as good. So better is correct answer. Then rose is the dash flower. More beautiful, best beautiful, now most beautiful. So the correct answer is rose is the most beautiful. Number C is the correct answer. Okay. Number 16. A feather is the dash thing. Feather means feather is a wing of birds. So this is the part of wings. So a feather is a dash thing. Light, lighter, not lightest. So correct answer is lightest thing. Then Qutub Minar is the dash tower in India. We know that Qutub Minar is the very tall, so it is highest. Qutub Minar is the highest tower in India. So number B is the correct answer. Okay. Next number 18. The grass is the park is dash. A green, B greener, now C greenest. We know that in grass is very green, so there is no another option. So A option is correct answer. The grass is the park is green. Okay. Next question. Amavasya is the dash day. You know that student, when Amavasya is here, it is very dark. So we can write it is darkest. Very dark, that means darkest. Okay. So number C is the correct answer. Then the moon is the dash on the full moon day. Okay. When the full moon day, it is brightest. So number C is the correct answer. Okay students. So this is, I hope this is very helpful for your study and also periodic test. So if you like this class, you can like, you can share with your friends. And again I said that if you are new, you can subscribe the channel so you can got all the class up to date time. So this all question for today's class. We will meet another new class. So thank you all of you.